Good morning. So guys, I am starting off with basically I've been sewing a little this morning because gotta keep myself busy because I'm hungry. It's been about 13 hours now, so I'm getting ready to actually leave to go and do my screening. And this is what I got so far with the skirt. So I put in the dots and they actually came out really nice. So they're all even. And then the front dots might be too close, but I'm not sure yet because once I take it in some more. So I'll show you what it looked like on the correct side. So this is the side, the correct side. So this is where they are. They came out really nice and flat. And on this side as well. Right here, really nice and flat. So now I have to do is the zipper and the waistline, and I'm trying to make it fit, like fit. So this, if I have to add some more dots in to get the waist looking more snatch, I will. But this side is open because this is the side that's gonna be the zip side, and the zip is not that long. I got the zip yesterday, so I'm gonna do this later today. Probably won't be done till tomorrow because I want to finish at least one of the books by tomorrow. So I'm bringing one with me. The other one I've read quite a bit. But yeah, I'm excited to see what the skirt, like I said, it's gonna look really nice with some boots because it's long and it's heavy. It is a winter, although the color is light, it's corduroy, so it is a winter fabric. So yeah. So alright guys, I'm going to head out. I don't know how much I'm gonna footage, and I'm gonna see if I can hit up and use my what do you call it, gift card in good I can't even think what the name of the store is. that's because I'm hungry. Anyway, so I'm gonna use this. It's not a lot on my gift card, but I'm just gonna replace some stuff that I already have that needs to be thrown out and get some new stuff. Kitchen stuff. These are all kitchenwares, and then I will be back and talk about my experience. Let's hope it's a good one. Yeah. See y'all in a few. Bye. Alright guys, so it's done. That was pretty quick. I was in there 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So that was a good thing. I'm hungry. So I gotta be thinking about what I want to eat. And it's still early, so there's probably nothing gonna be open for another hour. But I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna see, because it's early, if HomeGoods, if not a lot of people in there, so I could get what I need and get out. And then maybe somewhere will open. I could just pick up some food to eat, because we're talking, oh yeah, 14 hours. 14 hours. No food. Yeah, I'm hungry. Hey guys, so I am back. So I had a gift card. So the gift card was about 50 was, what am I saying? I have a couple of gift cards, so I had to make sure. This one was 50 bucks and everything came up to, I think, 70 bucks. So I had to pay $20 extra. I didn't mind because it's a gift card. not my money kind of deal. So I was happy for it. I'm loving the gift cards that I got this year because I'm going to definitely use them up. So first thing I thought about is I needed kitchen stuff. And if you guys watching my cooking video, you know that some of the stuff needed to be replaced. So for instance, I eat cauliflower pizza. So I don't eat regular pizza because for some reason if I buy pizza and I eat a regular pizza, I get heartburn. So I've been eating cauliflower, and I think because you don't use a lot of tomato sauce, it doesn't give me heartburn. Plus it's healthier because the crust is made from cauliflower. So I bought one of these, and I like this because it has a little rigid in there. So it'll be nicer when I make the cauliflower from scratch, because I do know how to make cauliflower pizza from scratch. I have a couple of old videos where I did that. Maybe some point I will do another one and show you from scratch how to make the cauliflower crust. And so I bought this, and I love how it's just rigid inside, so it's going to keep the dough, make the dough easier to do. So that is what I have on here. And again, alternative for regular pizza, but I needed one of these, so I get to throw away the one I have because it's just it's done. I also needed this as well because the one I have is also raggedy, but this is a 3-set one, so you get 3 in there, 1, 2, 3, and this is going to be perfect for the oven when I do certain things, because sometimes I don't need a big one, I just need a small one. So this is great. I like the set, and it's HomeGoods price, so you know HomeGoods can be a little overpriced, but this was $12.99. So, but it's not bad. It's 3 sets, and it's heavy duty because it's really heavy. So that's one item. I do the last. Then this was a want, not necessarily a need. So I decided to pick up some more wine glass. And honestly, I don't have any wine glass this shape. I have wine glass similar, but it's not this shape. And my other wine glass I love that is very unique. It's almost 30 years old. I had a couple. I'm down to 2 because one broke recently, and it made me so nervous because I'm like, if I can find them to replace them, I would. But these are so rare, and there's not a lot of companies that make those kind of glass decent price. I know the Italians have those, and you're talking like $100 for one glass. I am banking like that. That might be a wish thing, but I'm holding on to the 2 that I have right now, and I'm trying to not use them as much. So I'm just going to play around with cheaper glass for now until I can get at least 2 replacement of those. I'm in the hunt, and you know, it might be a wish thing or a birthday thing, but I would definitely replace 2 of them because those glasses are just so amazing. You've seen them, but I use them all the time. So this one, of course, is cheapy in terms of that. I mean, the set is $12.99. It's cheapy, but it's sexy. I just think this is like a sexy glass, and I'm currently making some sorrel, and I'm gonna just have some sorrel later. This better be coming off. This better not be a sticker that can't come off. This is tacky. Tacky. Alright, there we go. It leaves that glue thing on, so I'm going to have to scrub the heck out of this. Anyway, I'm going to wash them in a few and use one later when I make my sorrel. So anyway, so it's just sexy to me. So I decided to get the set, and it's 4 in the set. And I will be drinking out of them. I just like glass. I am not a... When I'm home, I still drink out of glass. Regular stuff. Then I decided to get a basket so that I can put some of my scraps and stuff for my sewing, because the roller cart that I got for the machine is looking real messy, and I have a lot of pattern and stuff, and I'm like, where do I fit pattern that it look organized? So I'm gonna put all my pattern stuff in here, and because it's just a perfect size. It's it has a cover, so I don't have to look at it. And then have it in the corner and have it propped up, you know. That whole section that I have on the floor, I need to organize that. That's just like my cozy zone where I just don't care. I just on the floor doing whatever. But I'm going to fix it up and put some of that stuff in there. Organize a little better so that it doesn't look so junky. So, then I got these. These are like the perfect for when I'm making my egg spinach custard. I don't even, it's not really custard because it's, yeah, you could call it that, but I thought these were perfect because it's like the perfect size. It's 4. I don't really need 4, but I guess if I have company and I want to make a couple. I mean, these are not coming out. Well, maybe, oh yeah, here we go. And they like the perfect size. And, you know, the oven and microwave friendly. So, of course, I'll put it in there, put it in the oven, and bake the custards that I like to make for breakfast. It's like breakfasty stuff that I put. Yeah, guys, I do stuff like that. Even though I'm a single girl by myself, I like to eat fancy stuff. Don't pay me no mind. Don't pay me no mind. I like eating stuff like that, and I put it in there. And then I bought these coasters. And these are natural wood coasters. They're actually real wood. I thought it was fake. Guess not. So, I mean, they just wrapped it up all fancy. Even the freaking wrapper is fancy. But I needed some more coasters. I have some other ones there, but I don't like them that much. But I have only 2 upstairs, and I wanted some more. And I saw these, and I thought, man, I feel like I don't even want to unwrap it. It's so nice. I should have took some pictures before I unwrap it because it just looks so cute. But anyway, I'm going to use these for sure. You'll see these a lot because I need some, like, especially like in my bedroom and my, you know, like I even recently just directly putting stuff on top of that table upstairs. And that table is white. And I was like, I need to custards because I don't want to ruin that table. Even though it's easy to clean, but I just feel like I need it. And I just like wood stuff. And I'm probably going to use some of these just as props on my bookshelf that's over the corner near my desk. Because I have something similar to this already on there where I put my TBR shelf for the month. And I just didn't use it for this month because I had so many books. But, and then find a way to use it. So that is all. I think I did fairly well for what I got. And like I said, I stick to what I needed. Not so much what I, just for waste. Because I really didn't need these baking things. Because the ones I have are really, they need to be thrown out. And this is just something that I need. I have ones, but they're bigger. They're like twice the size of this. And then I have some tiny ones. Like when I mean tiny, like this is like a freaking quarter size. It's tiny. It's really for like sauce, like ketchup, that kind of deal. But these are going to be perfect to bake. So I'm going to use it probably tomorrow because tomorrow I am home. I have nothing to do tomorrow. So I don't have to leave the house. And I'll probably use it tomorrow for breakfast. I do have eggs and some spinach and stuff, and show you guys that. So yeah, so I'm gonna get these together and wash them. Wash them, and then later on put on my pattern that I have in these. And yeah, that's what I did today so far. And then I'm going to continue this. Now this book, guys. Yo, when I say this is not a book you laugh about, because there's some serious stuff going on in this book. But the whole, when she gets to, it's like this is a kid, she growing. Now she's at that age where she's going to a boarding school, and the whole intent of this boarding school, her father he just insists on her being the best thing ever because he didn't get the opportunity. Well, he had put himself in a situation where he didn't get the opportunity to move to that point. He also his other daughter, things happen. She didn't get to. So here comes Essie now. So you put her in a boarding school. Guys, I can't make this up. This author went there. And then I'm thinking, Lord, please don't let this be a reality for real. Where it's a boarding school and these women take it to the point where it's like practicing to be with a man. That's all I'm going to tell you. But guys, I know it's not supposed to be funny. I just know the author wasn't intended for it to be funny. But I am freaking hollering and laughing at the shenanigans of these girls at this freaking boarding school. Even the headmistress. The headmistress, she needs a slap. And I was just like, oh, this author, why you did that? Now you have me laughing. I don't know if I'm supposed to laugh because some of this stuff is serious. But I'm laughing. I mean, laughing. Yeah. So now she's experienced something positive, but now she's with her daddy, and her daddy mistress is sneaking around while the stepmama there. Lord Jesus. I don't think it is. Wow, can we get her to adulthood? Like, she's like 14, 15. Yeah, somewhere around there right now. She's still a teenager, but I'm like, yo, the things this girl, and then of course now she getting to that age where she realized certain things. She understands certain things, and what's driving her now is she knows now how people manipulate. So she's learning herself how to manipulate as well. And with her daddy, she tried it with her daddy. As you know, because she's holding on to the man's secret. She's holding on to the man's secret, but she's gonna make sure that they know that kind of deal. But how the tactics is just, oh my God, I'm hollering. I am hollering. This is only halfway. It's not even halfway. Yeah, I'm about halfway. I need to finish this so soon because I feel like it's just getting funnier and funnier because now it's turning into a damn comedy because I'm laughing so hard. But it's entertaining. Y'all. I'm for it right now. If she continue entertaining me like this might be one of those ones where I'm gonna be like, read it. We don't know yet, but for right now, for what's giving me, it's funny. Alright, so that's where I'm at, and then I'm going to take a nappy nap. But I'm gonna finish brewing the what do you call it? The sorrel. I could show you guys a little. But yeah, I'm excited, and then I'm gonna wash all these. Especially one of this. I need to scrub these. I hate when people do this. I don't understand this. What is the point? This did not need to be directly on the glass. You already have it in a box. Now I gotta scrub the heck out of the thing to get it off. Yeah, this was like a bad idea. And it does feel cheap. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Compared to my expensive ones. It's still not that light, but my expensive ones are heavy. But I'm not mad at it. It looks sexy. That's all I gotta say. Alright, before I ramble on some more. See y'all in the next clip. Alright guys, so the sorrel is going on. So I'm gonna cut the ginger. So this is some organic ginger. This is actually strong. The ones that usually like humongous looking in the store, a lot of times they're not strong. They're big, but they're not. This, I can put just this stack in there, and it's just, the ginger is really strong in it. So this is not a bad brand or mark, produce company. I don't know who they are. Yeah, but yeah. So I'm gonna put just one of these, probably this. I like strong ginger taste in the sorrel, so this is how I make it. So that is it. And then ginger. Alright guys, so I literally just dropped the lights on my plant. This sucker right here, and lost 2. Yeah. Can't wait for January because I don't want to do any plant updates and pruning and fixing and all of that until January, because since I'll be with my family for a little bit, a few days. But you know what happened last year. Guys, if you were watching me from last year, remember when I came back from my holiday and my poor plants, I lost 1 completely, and 1 was just suffering, which I did bring back to life. But it sucks when you're a plant person, you don't really have anyone to watch your plant. But yeah, so I'm going to do an update in January when I get to use some of my gift cards. Yes, I have a Lowe's and a Home Depot gift card that I plan to use then, and update and get some stuff that I need to fix my beautiful plants. I have a lot, and I can't wait for you guys. I might show you guys Vivian. She's doing so good. She likes the corner for now. For now. But her little friend across from her didn't like the corner, so I lost a couple of leaves, and I'm not sure what's going on with her. It looked like I might have been overwatering her, I think, but I'm not sure. Anyway guys, it's not done. I have 70 pages to go, but I'm going to put it down because I've been reading and I need to clean up this mess that is in front of me for the rest of the night. So and then I need to edit this video. Guys, this is a coming of age story that is quite entertaining, and some sad parts of it because of the cultural stuff, but I'm enjoying it, and I will give you the full rundown when I'm done with it. But it is entertaining. Like, I'm literally couldn't put it down. I was just like going through it because I want to know what's going to happen next. What's going to happen next? What's that? You know, that kind of deal. And I read about 100 pages today. I think I read about 100 pages. No, more than 100 pages. Yeah, a little over 100 pages I read today. But, you know, it's been a bit busy day running around. So, but I'm gonna finish this early in the morning, or maybe tonight. Depends if I finish cleaning up and I feel. This didn't get nowhere in this one at all, but I want to pick this one up. But guys, I don't know. I'm really liking this. So if you guys have this, I don't know how it's gonna end. It might end pitiful, but it is entertaining. There are quite a few laughable moments where I'm really, really laughing. But also it is sad. And I will give you the rundown of the gist of the story and why this coming of age story, you know, is important in the way the author deliver it. So I will give you the rundown of that tomorrow. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end this here. And what else I want to say? That glass is a cheapy glass. It's pretty, but it's so lightweight. And I actually dropped it, yeah, and it didn't break. So which means it's not glass. It's not glass. It's like maybe a plastic kind, one of those plastic ones that looks like glass. Cause I'm like, I dropped it. I was thinking it was gonna smash, and it didn't smash. So I don't know. But either way, it is pretty. It's cheap. It can handle me dropping, because it's been like that for the last couple of weeks. I've been dropping glass. I broke like 2 glasses. I have no idea what's going on with me dropping stuff. So hey, it's gonna rock with me for the rest of the year, because this way I don't have to worry about it breaking easily, because it's a cheapie. But gotta have some cheapie sometime with people like me that break glasses. So I'm gonna end this here. Yay. And I will see you tomorrow. And I will definitely give a full review of this and work on some other stuff, and then prep for another video that I want to do the day after, which is one of the requests that you guys gave me. So they're coming, guys. I think I have about 3 or 4 requests. and definitely going to be doing it. So see you in the next one, guys, and have a good day.